Is this on? Oh, it's on. Oh. Alien cutting him open. I thought you said you were going to do it with me. Okay, I can barely see, but okay. Which way are we going? We're going that way? No.
I don't know. Turn around.
Yeah, there we go. Now we're going this way. Oh my gosh. I'm going to puke somehow. I don't even know. I'm going to do a silent scream. Probably. Man, this is like tough guts. Tough skin you have there, buddy. Real tough. Tough stuff. Oh gosh, I just saw the guts. Oh, I can't look. Oh Lord.
Let's go this way with it.
Wait, wrong way. There we go.
Right here. Right here.
I just saw slime. Jeez, tough nut you are. This guy's tough nut. Tough nut, I say. Cool. See the intestines already.
See the sternum.
Let him free. Pull it out. No. Okay, now show our customers. We should put this on YouTube. Hey, I'm just cutting the sky open. Cutting the sky open. Let's see what happens.
Alright.
So, do I got to take that out or? That's kind of squishy.
Ah! I broke his bone.
That just goes to show how strong he is.
Alright.
Alright, let's show her. Okay. Hey, I'm a bone walking down the street. What do you want to do?
Alright, now you gotta cut the bag open.
Cut the bag open. Do we take it out? Or?
No, you just cut it.
Oh, I see where it says. Oh, I just felt the character. Is it gonna bust? Oh, it busted. Here comes the slime. That's not slime. There's another bag. There's another bag? Are you kidding me? I cannot do this. Bear with me, folks. Slime. The guts of the beast. The guts of the beast. Oh, I see them. I see them. There we are.
Ew.
There
Use your tweezer part.
Okay, tweezer part. Here I go. Well, I'll save you, Treasure X friend. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh, no, I don't. I'm close.
Oh!
I got him. Okay.
Oh my word.